Hi, Louisiana. My name is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for reaching out to me today and requesting your free video. So today we're just going to do a quick overview on your website and show you some tips and tricks that you can apply today to start gaining more of that organic traffic. So we are on your website. It's kind of cool. Wow, you guys are involved in all those hurricane projects. Whew, it's a lot of work. Okay, so it looks like you do have some content. Um, that's good. Okay, so the first thing is the rule of thumb is content is key when it comes to ranking. So your website on your homepage should have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused on those buyer intent location based keywords. That breaks down to 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. Your customers, when they're having emergencies, may not know the name of your company, but they know they're in trouble and they're gonna be Googling their issue, what they need help with. And those are the type of keywords that need to be focused on. And since you're servicing multiple areas, you need to have the locations with that. So you need to have a separate service page for every single type of service that you provide. You also need a separate one for every location that you service that has any type of search volume for those keywords. Because Google does not rank your website based on appearance, they rank your website based on content. They have little crawlers called, or little robots called crawlers that go on to your website and they index every single one of these pages, looking at your content and pulling your keywords. So, um, especially in your industry, it's very important to be readily available and easy to find. And so, content is going to be very key for you guys. So, you're going to need to build up your content, work on your keyword strategy for all of your pages. And I don't see any service pages, so you may have to go in and add those as well. One of your top competitors in the area, um, in this area here, is United Waters Restoration Group, and they also have a nice website. They got a lot more content, and they're going after more of those keywords. So, in order to beat these guys, you're going to need a lot more content. You want to have more content than your top competitor. And this is just one area. You need to look at your competitors for all of your service areas because you're going to have to beat all of them. So you want to make sure that you have enough content to do that. Now, this is a program we use called Ahrefs, which helps us to analyze how your website performs. As you can see, you have a score of a 13 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow. And that is because of your referring domains and backlinks. You don't have enough quality backlinks. You have over 300. Um, but with a lower score, that says that a lot of those are going to be no follows or spammy, junky backlinks. And not all backlinks are created equal, so you need to go after the high authority backlinks. You need to have a lot more of them than your top competitor. You don't have a lot of content, so you're only being indexed for 112 keywords. And those are only generating 27 people to your website organically on average per month. When we look at your competitor, we won't look at this number here because this is for their entire franchise. But this one right here is specific to the Pompano area. And they have a 24 with only 222 backlinks. So that says that they have stronger backlinks. You're going to need more than they have, but you're going to need higher authority ones than they have as well. And they have more content and less keywords being indexed, but they're more appropriate keywords. They're more buyer intent keywords. And so they're actually generating 157 people on average every month to their website just for the Pompano area. Now, a backlink is when one website links to another website and drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant that website is that links to you, the more relevant it is to your services, the more authority that Google is going to give you, and it's going to help push you up in your rankings. And these are very closely tied to your content and keywords. And you're going to need these backlinks going to your homepage as well as your service pages and service areas. And then the last thing to go over real quick. This is the Google Maps, and your goals should be to be in the top 3 for your Google My Business page. The top 3, because 30% of people come directly here and they don't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3 for your service areas and your keywords, you are sending your leads to your competition. So in order to get in the top 3, there's a bunch of different factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of the business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those on a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So you need to have a bunch more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow all these tips that I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 on Google in your service areas for your keywords. And you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either apply the information I've provided you and do it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.